It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong and today gagawa tayo nating Friday special. Ano ba yun? Of course, it's munggo. Kaya let's start cooking!
Simple, simple. Luto na, ha, ha.
This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. And today gagawa tayo ng ating Friday special, ang munggo. And ginawa ko dito ay binabad ko na siya for at least an hour. So ito, kung gusto natin makatipid sa gas, ibabad natin yung ating munggo earlier para pagpakulo natin, mas mabilis na siya. So, ito yung aking munggo. Yan. Just strain off the excess water, yung pinagbabara natin. And I will put it into my pot, no? And I will add water. So, I'm using here 1.5 cups of munggo. So, ito 1.5 cup siya nung tuyo siya, nababad siya, dumami siya. So, pwede mo siya ibabad ng 1 hour or up to overnight. Kaya pag binabad mo yung munggo mo in hot water, mas mabilis siya mag-absorb, no? So, mas mabilis siya lalambot. And I will just add water. Walang asin, walang anything else. Yan. And also, to save us time, yung gagawin ko, meron akong piece of meat dito. May kasim ako dito. You can use pork belly. Isasabay ko na siya ng laga dito sa aking munggo para sabay na silang lumambot. And I just turn on my stove and let it cook until it's tender. And of course, tatakpan ko yung aking munggo hanggang lumambot siya. So, around 30 to 45 minutes, depende sa inyong munggo. Kaya here, let's wait. And while our munggo is simmering away, malapit na siya lumambot, sisimulan ko na rin yung aking paggisa. So, we have our pan and we add our oil. Of course, we will saute our garlic. Ayan. Yan. So, ito, saute our onions. Pag gumagawa kami nitong munggo gisado is to saute our onions and garlic and of course our tomatoes. So, gagamit tayo ng 4 tomatoes. I love my munggo with lots of tomatoes. So, once my onions are translucent, I will add my tomatoes kasama ang seeds. Yan. So, we're sauteing our tomatoes. Yung gusto ko sa tomatoes talagang durug-durug na siya, no? And in the meantime, while my tomatoes are sauteing, I will just season with salt para lumabas talaga yung flavors ng ating ginisa. Yan, of course. And meron ako dito, dagdag na pangpalasa, of course. Sometimes we use tinapa, pero pag medyo nagkaroon, we use shrimp, no? So, yung shrimp, eto, binalatan yung ating shrimp. And eto dito, yung shell niya, tsaka yung head niya. What we do, we mash it, no? Dudurugin natin siya with a little water para ma-extract yung tinatawag naming shrimp juice, no? Yung katas ng hipon, just to add more shrimp flavor, no? And I will strain it. Yan. Kamatis, medyo nadudurog na rin. It's almost there. And itong pork natin, malambot na. And our munggo is also done. Look at that. Yan. Kukunin ko tong aking pork. Yan. And, gigisa ko to aking shrimp. Very nice. Look at our munggo, oh. Malambot na siya. Gagawin ko dito sa pork ay, I'm going to slice it into pieces. And of course, malambot na siya. Pwede ding pork pata yung gawin mo. Sabay mo na magpalambot na inyong pork pata with our munggo beans. So, tipid sa oras. Yan. Of course, lalagay ko na aking pork kasi luto yung pork ko. Wala nang papatagalin. Yan. Saute. Add our shrimp juice. Yan, sobrang malasa niyan. And I will add it to my munggo beans. So imagine yung 1.5 cups mo na munggo, kaya ng family of 5 to. Sobrang dami. If you want it to be less soupy, bawasan mo ng tubig. Pero I really like my munggo to be a bit soupy. Ganyan. And to finish, of course, lalagyan natin siya ng pangpalasa natin. Ang gamit natin para mas ma-enhance yung seafood flavor ay datu puti patis. Yan. So, patis to taste. Pero pag kumakain ako ng munggo, may patis and kalamansi pa ako sa side. Yan. Of course, freshly cracked black pepper. And you have your choice of anong gulay gusto mong ilagay. You can have malunggay, you can have alugbati, but my favorite is dahon ng ampalaya. Yan, dahon ng ampalaya. Yan ang gusto ko. Sometimes I even add yung bunga ng ampalaya, just a little bit of bunga ng ampalaya into my munggo. Yan. And we're ready to serve. Yan. Biyernes o hindi biyernes, okay lang sa akin may munggo. Lovely bowl of munggo. Yan. And of course, to make it even more special, meron ako ditong chicharon. Ito. Optional naman to. You don't have to add your chicharon, pero I love my munggo with chicharon, lalo na pag yung chicharon na may laman. And dyan, of course. Kaya nyo itong gawin sa bahay. Kaya tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!